Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we also have Glacier our cockatiel who is a little busy.
So what is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a pattern or sequence of numbers which have a difference between the two numbers is always constant. For example, we have numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. So for example, first we have 2. Next we have 4. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. So the number is constant. Next between 4 and 6 is also 2. That is also constant. It continues on continuously. Then another example we can take is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here also the difference between all numbers is 2. So that's why it is also an arithmetic. Between each number is 2. Between 4 and 6 it is 2. Between 6 and 8 also it is 2. So next what we are going to discuss is AP. So what is AP? AP is basically the short form of arithmetic progression. So next what we are going to discuss is first term. What is first term in an AP? First term of an AP is basically the first term of an AP, that is 2 over here. First term of an AP is also denoted by A. So here basically 2 is A. Next what we are going to discuss is common difference. So what is common difference? So last time when we had discussed, I had told that there is a constant difference between two numbers in an AP. So what is that? So common difference is basically that constant difference. So common difference is also denoted by D. Is also denoted by D. Is denoted by D. So now I am going to show you another example for an AP and show you out what is A and D in it. For example, we have 5, 10, 15 and 20. So in this, D is basically the difference between these two numbers. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 5. So this D is equal to 5. Now what is the first term? First term is A. Is A. Now, so what is the difference between 10 and 15? That is also 5. That is also D. So now I will discuss a finding. So this is what I have observed a fact. So in this fact I have observed that in any numbers table, you will find that A and D is equal. So the first term and the common difference is equal. For example, in 3's table, we have taken A and D, both are equal to 3 in this. Next, in 5's table, we have discovered that A and D is equal to 5. And in this, I have observed that in 7's table, A and D is equal to 7. So now we are going to be discussing about the nth term of an AP. So in this AP, what is 2? 2 is the first term of the AP. What is 4? The second term of the AP. So they will give question. What is the 10th term of an AP? Or the 30th term? Or the 35th term? So now I have got the easiest formula to solve all these questions. That is the nth term of an AP, and then is equal to A. A, what is A? A is the first term of the AP. Then plus n minus 1. And n is also the nth term of the AP. For example, if they ask what is the 10th term of the AP, you will put 10 here. Next, into D. So D is the common difference, also known as the constant difference between two numbers in an AP, that is 2. So for example, if they give a question, so they give the question, first term of an AP is 2 here, they are given this AP, and the common difference is also 2 in this AP. They are asking us the 20th term. So what will we do? We will write here. So our question again is calculate the 20th term. have to do? So first we are going to write T20. So now we're going to, as we have already showed the formula, now we are going to solve it. So first, what do we have to find? The 20th term. So what will we write? T20. So now is equal to, what is A? A is the first term, that is 2. 2 plus n minus 1. The n is basically the term we have to calculate, that is 20. So the formula is Tn is equal to A. So what is A? A is the first term, that is 2 plus n minus 1. What is n? N is basically the term that we have to calculate into D. So now what is D? D is the common difference, that is 2. So now let us use the formula and calculate. So T20 is equal. So first we are going to solve what is inside the bracket. So T20 is equal to 2 plus 19 into 2. Next what we are going to do is the multiplication. So T20 is equal to 2 plus 38. So the 20th term is 2 plus 38, that is 40. So then we have got the answer very fast and easily using this formula. We are going to be discussing about sum of 8 terms in an AP. So for example, we have an AP over here which has first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8 and fifth term is 10. So D over here is the common difference, that is 2. So for example, if we add these numbers, we will get 2 plus 4, that is 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, and 20 plus 10, 30. We can calculate this manually. But what if they ask the sum of first 100 numbers or 200 numbers? I have a very easy formula that will help you. So the two formulas are Sn is equal to, first we are going to write n by 2. N basically is what they are asking to calculate. Here it is the fifth term. N by 2 into T1 plus T10. So T1 is basically the first term, also known as A, that is 2. And Tn, what is the value of the fifth term? The fifth term, that is 10. So we are going to substitute the value and solve it. So let's do this. So first Sn is equal to, what they are asking, the fifth term. So 5 by 2 into T1 plus Tn. T1 is the first term, that is 2. 2 plus, what is the 10th term for the value of the fifth term? That is 10. So we will write 10. So now what we get? Sn is equal to 5 by 2 into 12 into 12. So that's what we have got. Now we are going to cut this. So what we will get? Sn is equal to 5. We have 2 6 are 12. So what we are going to get? Sn is equal to 5 into 6. That is 30. As I had calculated and found that the sum of all these numbers was 30. Here also using the formula we had gotten 30. Another formula. So what is that formula? It is a really interesting and amazing formula. So it is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula that I have seen. So now let us use the same question in AP to solve using this formula. So what is the values we have? Sn is equal to first n. What is n? N is basically the fifth. What we have to find, that is the fifth term. So we will find 5 by 2. 2 into 8, that is the first term, that is 2. 2 into 2 plus, we are going to give bracket, n is basically which term we will be calculating. 5 minus 1 into, what is 3? The common difference, that is 2. Now we are going to solve this. So first we are going to do what is inside the bracket. So what is inside the bracket? We have Sn is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus what is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 4 into 2. Now we have to solve this. So there is no space, so I'm going to write it in the top. So the next step is Sn. We have to add these after multiplying. We have to add these two. Sn is equal to 5 by 2 into what is this? 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 into 2 8. So we have to do 4 plus 8. So into 4 plus 8. So now we have got it. Sn is equal to 5 by 2 into 4 plus 8, that is 12. And now we are going to cut this. So 2 12s as 2 6 and 12. So we've cancelled it. So now we are going to find that is 13. So the answer is 13. So we have got the same answer with both the formulas, and it is by adding the first 5 terms. Now we can calculate the first 5 terms very easily. Manually also we can calculate. But what if they ask the first sum of first 50 terms or first 100 terms? For that we have to use the formula. So now we'll do a question. Calculate sum of first 50 terms of above 80. So let us calculate. So first we are going to write down the formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2. I'm going to use the second formula, 2a plus n minus 1 into. So now we're going to substitute. So first, we know n is 50, a is 2, and again here is also 50, and b is also 2. So now let us calculate. So Sn is equal to 50 by 2. Next we have 2a. So 2a is basically we are going to substitute the value of a with 2. So 2 into 2, and this n we are going to substitute 50. So we are going to write plus 50 minus 1. Now we are going to substitute here. So now what we are going to do is solve the equation. So first Sn, we are going to start what's in the bracket, 50 by 2 into 2 into 2. Then what we are going to do, what is 50 minus 1? Plus 49 into 2. Sn is equal to 50 by 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. 49 into 2 we have to calculate. That is 98. 98. So let us into 4. The bracket is really important because it help us solve because we have to follow the BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, bracket comes first. So now what is 4 plus 98? 4 plus 98 is 102. Sn is equal to 50 by 2 into 102. So now we are going to cut it. Ones up and 50 ones up. So now what we are going to do is multiply 50 51. So now we have to multiply 50 51. So 50 51. So we got 2550. So now the answer is